Okay, so video pala. Kala ko picture, photo. So, yun lang guys. Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Good morning pa lang pala. It's 11 pa lang. So, hindi pa 12. Okay. Okay, wala akong relo. So, I'm here at SM. Pala-pala, Dasma, Cavite. And decided to go out because si kuya nasa bahay, so nagpapatugtog ng malakas. So, hindi ko kinaya yung tugtog. Sobrang lakas ng music. So, gotta go here. So, yun lang guys for now. So, bye for now. See you next time. See you in my dreams. So, bye. Bye everyone. Sorry. So, it's video na naman. Akala ko po daw. Sorry. So, I'm here at Paris Crepes at SM Malls at Dasmariñas, Cavite, Pala-Pala. And, yun. So, naggagala muna ako for the meantime cause may naglilinis ng bahay namin ngayon. So, my kuya is cleaning our house today. So, tas aalis na rin siya after that. So, ang lakas magpatugtog na sound. So, nabibingi ako. So, paano guys? Dito muna ako. So, better see you later. So, in my vlogs. So, bye everyone. This is Mami Ria saying goodbye, God bless, and happy sweet dreams mamaya. Tagal pa, 11 pa lang. Bye! Hi guys, so I'm here at Goldilocks at SM Dasmariñas, Pala-Pala. And eto, nakabay na ako. I bought some Coke Float and ice cream, mango, sundae cone, yun. So, ang sarap. So, here, it's Coke Float. So, nandito ako sa Goldilocks. Ayun. And, umupo muna ako just to find a seat for me kasi pagod na ako maglakad. So, gala-gala sa SM inside. So, ang hirap. Medyo nakakapagod na. Kanina pa ako 11 dito. So, it's 12 na. So, 1 na. So, naghahanap ako ng mga finds para mabili ko. Pero, hindi pa ako nakakakita. So, I decided to eat na lang or drink some ice creams. Ayun, nakiupo muna ako. Ayun, nakiupo. Ayun. So, napagod na ako. So, here I am at Goldilocks. And I want to share to you guys some vlogs of mine like this. Because para ma-update ko kayo kung nangyayari sa buhay ko. I'm 42. So, 42 na ako ngayon this year, 2024. And, soaring high. No, joke lang. No. Because of God. Correct. And the spirit is uplifting. And, though, wala pa si hubby and Anna's on vacation sa Caloocan, Manila. So, si kuya is in the house. So, he is cleaning our house right now. So, umalis muna ako ng bahay. So, para magkaroon siya ng sarili niyang space. And, kasi, you know, malakas magpatugtog si kuya ng sounds. Yun. And now, I'm here at SM. Oh, look at the flowers. So ganda. Yun. And, nagpapalamig muna for some fresh air-conditioned places. Yun, here. And para malamig. So, summer pa ba? No, hindi na, no? So, Tag-ulan na pero bihira yung ulan. So, kasi may climate change. And kasi because of biological warfare ng America and the other countries, our Philippines, yun. Kinokontrol nila yung climate. Okay, yung weather. Okay. So, alam nila kung gusto nila paulanin, uulan. Kung gusto nila maaraw, aaraw. So, controlled nila. So, meron naliligaw sa aking sundalo, a soldier from United States of America, USA. So, inaalam niya sa akin, oh, kumusta? How's your weather out there in the Philippines? Sabi ko, okay lang. Why are you controlling it? Sabi ko, hindi na sumagot. Yun. Alam ko na is biological warfare. So, naglalaban sila, Russia, America, all the great countries in this world para for world domination. Yun. So, God rules pa rin. So, don't be worried. Don't be afraid. Okay? So, bye for now. This is Mamaya. Wishing you the best in life. See you next time. Bye, everyone. See you in my dreams. Sweet dreams, Mamaya. So, hi everyone! I'm here at SM Dasmariñas, Palapala, Philippines. Okay? So, nandito muna ako sa isang upuan and nagpapahinga ko. Pagod ako kakalakad sa loob ng SM Malls. Yun. So, I have here my resibo at McDonald's. Sabi rito, your order number is 316. Ikaw Food OPC, ground floor 117119, SM City, Sampaloc, City of Dasmariñas, Cavite. For online delivery, visit macdelivery.com.ph. Tell us about your McDonald's experience, www.macdolicense.com. Survey code written, write us at ph@macdomcd.com with the number 632-888-86236. Official receipt, hardware, cereal, mean, crude, date. And what I bought is 1 medium Coke float with the price of 52 pesos, with the total of 52 pesos. With my cash rendered 60 pesos and the change is 8 pesos. And with the VAT of 5 pesos and 57 cents. And sabi dito, tell us about your visit, scan the QR code and share your experience. Thank you! So, eto yun. So, resibo ko kanina sa McDo. Yun. Yun. So, thank you. Please come again. This serves as an official receipt. Supplier, Golden Acres Development Corporation, 17th floor, 800 Towers, Pasillo, 8741, Pasillo de Rojas, Salcedo Village, Bel Air 1226, City of Makati, NCR, 4th District, Philippines, with TIN number, account number, and date issued 7/30/2018, and customers information, name, address, and business style. So, that's it, guys. So, binasa ko lang yung resibo ko. Ayun. Ayun. Here. Ayun. So, kasi wala akong kasama. So, ako lang mag-isa. So, lagi ko itong ginagawa nung dalaga pa ako. So, this time, wala pa yung hobby ko. So, ganito muna for now. So, gala-gala. Pag may time. Yun. Yan. So, guys, So, paano? Gala-gala muna tayo. Look. Ubus na yung float ko. Ayan. So, upo muna tayo dito. So, pagod na ako. Siyempre, kung more customers. So, hindi pwede yata umupo. So, tingin tayo ng food here. Kung ano mabibili natin, guys. Come on. Yun. Red velvet, garlic cheese boat, kodawari choco bun, pork chashu bun, red bean bun, soft tuna bun. So tart, sobra maraming tart, blueberry bloom. Wow, ito ang sarap. Oh, yan. So, ang sarap. Okay? So, wag muna tayong bumili. So, busog na ako. Nabusog na ako sa mga kinain ko. So, hanap tayo na upuan. So, guys, sa ano tayo? Sa, ang tawag dyan? Saan ba yun? Yung kinakainan sa mall. Ano ba yun? Anong tawag sa Ayun. There. Yun. Ano ba yan? Food court. That's it. Food court. So, punta muna tayong food court. So, ganito pala dito. Sa SM pag ordinary days. So, siguro nung araw ng kalayaan, nandito yung mga officers natin from police, Dasmariñas Police. And nagtaas sila ng bandila ng Pilipinas. So, yung flag natin, itinaas nila. And, yun, with lupang hinirang in the background. So, ang sarap. So, tuwan-tuwa ako. Ayun. Nakita ko kasi sa Facebook kanina. So, nalaman ko ganun pala nangyari here sa place ko sa Dasma, Cavite, Philippines nung June 12. So, kahapon. Okay? Okay. So, punta tayo food court. Hanap tayo ng place para makainan. So, hanap tayo ng magandang table. So, puno yung tao. Ang daming tao. Puno yung mga kainan. So, now where are we? Saan tayo ngayon? So, puno. Walang available na table. So, itayin natin sila mag-out. What do you call that? Mag-chupi. Shumupi. So, where we are na? Where we going? Sir, excuse po. Meron pong tao dito. Meron po kayong ka-table? Thank you po. So, walang ayun. Sa table. Ayun. Ito na. Ito na yung table. So, there we go. So, nandito tayo sa food court ng SM Dasma. Ano kayo makakain natin dito? Marami. Food court eh. Yun. So, I have 20 pesos. 20 na lang. So, paano yun, guys? 20 na lang ang meron ako. So, pumasahe ko na lang ang fare for the jeepneys. So, paano, guys? So, I gotta go na. So, see you next time na lang. And marami pa akong gagawin for now. And hope you guys have a good day today. And sana in our dreams, maayos din. And God bless us all. And see you next time. Bye everyone. Bye.